Hi, I'm William Hopton with Magnifying America, and I'm here today to introduce the newest product from Patriot Vision Industries. This is the all-new Patriot Voice EZ. It's a standalone text-to-speech reader. This follows on the heels of our very successful Patriot Voice Plus that we introduced back in 2014. We totally redesigned the product based on your recommendations and input. We listened to our customers and clients, and you asked us for something that was even easier to use than the Patriot Voice Plus, hence the Patriot EZ. It works very similar fashion to the Patriot Voice Plus. It's a matter of simply placing your reading material on the reading table. The camera takes the picture automatically. There's nothing that the user needs to do. And as it does the recognition, it'll start reading automatically. What's changed is the way the user interacts with this document using the Patriot Voice EZ.
Little description. Congratulations on your purchase of the Patriot Voice EZ. Here your mail, newspapers, books, magazines, and much more read out loud. Please take a moment.
So here's what's different
with the three easy
the user interface. It uses three large knobs that are easy to find and easy to understand. Each of these knobs is also a push button. So let me explain what each of these do. I very simply press the center knob to pause the reading. I can press it again to resume reading.
That allows you to set the preference to best meet your needs.
Press it again to pause it. Now, if I turn that knob, I can navigate in this document. If I turn it counterclockwise, I'll go back in the document. If I turn it clockwise, I'll skip ahead. So let's go back.
Your meet best to preference.
All right, so I didn't quite understand what that word was. So I backed it up to that word and I press the right hand knob.
Prefrence.
Oh, okay, so it spelled it aloud to me. So the center knob, if I press it,
preference to best meet your needs.
It play and pause. I turn it to navigate, and then I use the right-hand knob to spell the current word. So the right-hand knob, in addition to being that button that spells the word, is also my control over volume. So simply by turning the knob,
volume 70%, volume 80%.
Turning it clockwise increases the volume, turning it counterclockwise decreases the volume.
Volume 70%.
The left-hand knob changes the rate of speaking simply by turning it counterclockwise slower, clockwise faster.
Speed 40%, speed 30%.
And again, play and pause in the center button.
Your needs. Enclosed in package is the Patriot Voice EZ portable
pause it again
reader.
Because that's too slow for me, and I'll speed it up a little bit.
Speed 40%, speed 50%.
So really, once I've set the parameters of speed and volume, I really need not to touch those controls any longer. I really don't need them to change those things if I'm using a device. But if I want to, I can. All right. So the right-hand knob, volume. The left-hand knob, speed. The center knob, navigation. All right. There's also a button in the left-hand knob, and what that does is it takes a manual picture. Because you saw when I placed the reading material on the table, it takes a picture automatically, right? In this case, I've got a small paperback book, so it's going to read the left page, then the right page. When it's finished reading the right page, normally I would have to take the book out, turn the page, and put it back in, right? Because the camera has to reinitialize.
ET1T. Reacher's designated handler told him it wasn't going to be easy. There were going to be difficulties, numerous and various.
So if I finished reading this page and got to the end of the document, I can simply turn the page to the next two pages and press the left-hand button. And it takes a picture of those pages, and I can continue on like this without having to remove the book from the table. We'll let it read just a little bit more.
20610 middle name 1 is in Germany. No one told me anything. except to get on a plane to Dulles and then report to this office. I see.
All right.
Christopher
And
said,
again,
why should they have told me?
simply turn the page, tap the button, it takes the next picture, we can continue on in this fashion. We'll let that read for just a moment more.
208 leaders, no middle name. 4 of them. 1 of them is bad. They are all political liaison people.
Okay,
To the House.
so very good. So, the Patriot Voice EZ will not read handwriting, but it doesn't have to be black and white print like the examples we've used so far. Here I have a takeout menu from one of the local restaurants, and it's written with white letters on a red background and some yellow letters on a red background, some white on gray. So this is typical of things like menus, takeout menus that you might want to read before going to the restaurant or ordering your takeout. Also very typical of food packaging. The information is written in different colors. But the Patriot Voice EZ handles that. We'll let it take a picture of this menu and start reading.
Sized with steak, onions, peppers, served GGH. Bolognese meatball sliders. Our famous meatball slider style with calamari. Fried calamar served with marillera. Wings 8 PC $9.99. Hot, mild, BBQ, or lemon pepper. Homemade meatballs. Unleavened. Eggplant stackios $9.99. Eggplant leimi with prosciutto.
So that would give me a chance to read a menu, maybe before going out to dinner so I know what to order, or perhaps calling in to takeout. So this is our new Patriot Voice EZ, a great reading machine from Patriot Vision Industries and Magnifying America. If you need to contact us, you can visit our website, patriotvisionindustries.com. Send us an email at info@patriotvisionindustries.com, or you can call toll-free 800-364-1608. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and we look forward to seeing you soon.